Yo, I don't want no man make no move unless me say so. So with the man them there, we feel watch the ground. That me I tell you, yo, you see them loose movements and that dog that you not even know, brother. Man for this I protect the ground, man gonna carry the yard, bro. Yo, me need to chat to every man before it get dark.
Yo, talk to me. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. You go too fast, man. What you say? Who? Bobby? So what? Is that around there? Alright, now sell it. Nothing to movement. Let's say 40. May I forward right now.
Yo, me just a come link in a king.
Are you me just a come link? What go on?
Man, him lick we held up on the ground, you know.
Just a get the call start. Say them lick we Bobby. Yo, come on and say that. Come on, do a walk. Brother, I tell you, I get the call a while ago and I hope and pray say a joke thing. So, what caused that? And more important, who responsible?
King, that a puzzle me. Me no know how this a forward. King, we are nobody need no vibes, yo.
So, let me ask you something. You chat to him people, eh?
King, them laugh. Remember, I know them man involved in nothing at all. Them man just run little business, you know what I mean? King, right now I'm last, you know.
Something no right though, Dada. This can't come out of nowhere, so.
King, from both sides, we have to go find out what really go on. A deep investigation. The ground can't run so good and this stuff. No, King, man. This just pop up.
Feel your pain, brother.
Just check the book, you know. Over 200 tourists to bring from the ground, you know. So you know, say yo, all we are preach is community tourism. And to make the community go higher family.
Dada, you don't have to tell me that. Remember say me keep a close check on what go on the ground, you know, brother.
Just all the years so rank top 5, you know, in a community tourism. In a Kingston, in a King.
Jano.
This is from the last community event from the energy people in my sponsor, the back to school treat. And that move up in a King.
Cha-cha. So, tell me something. How we are going to handle this?
First thing, King, I have to give the youth them a tough talk. None of the two youth them for them on the ground if I watch in front. Never dead them.
Yeah, you know. I forgot to give them a power page. Can't chase front when you fair watch the front.
King, me sit down and talk to the youth them, you know. Me tell the man and say you can't get comfortable. At them time we go on.